All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about new tools. All right, so new tools. So we'll go through, what I bought and talk about it. All right, so I got a deal on these new step drill bits. They're a little twisted, supposed to be a better design. I've only used them a little bit. My old Irwin set, these are not made by Irwin, they're made by PT, Professional Tools, for Matco. And my old Irwin, I had to start a hole for it because it was just wore out. I bought this set, it was on sale. So far, so good. I don't really use these for much other than enlarging holes in battery cable, battery terminals for putting new ends on them, that kind of stuff. So pretty cool, not that expensive. Next one from Matco is these ratcheting bleeder screw wrenches. So you have the option of putting a tube on it. So when you're in a tight spot, you can break loose the bleeder screw and do your brake flush on it. Pretty dang cool. It comes in 8mm, 10mm, and 1/4 inch and 3/8. No 11mm, but pretty cool. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. Haven't sold a brake flush. I mean, I only bought it Tuesday, so. Next tool I'm going to talk about is Power Probe. Not a sponsor. Torch. Well, I'm going to be honest. The one I bought from Matco sucks. So, bought this one for soldering battery terminal ends on. Works well. And I'd give you a part number, except there ain't one on the box. Next tool we're going to talk about is from Cornwell, and it is these long reach hose pliers. Really nice, sturdy. They don't deflect much. They come in really handy. The one complaint I have on them so far is these handles. Why? Because they don't fit in my plier drawer rack. Other than that, they work very well. So definitely comes in handy for those hoses that are up against the firewall and that kind of stuff. Next tool we're going to talk about is these flush cut. Now the whole point of these cutters is so when you're doing a zip tie, after you pull it tight, you flush cut it, no ragged edge to get the next guy. Or you when you stick your hand back in there. So, nice. They definitely cut well. And, I don't know if you... And they cut really flush. Next one is the Snap-on extended panel popper tools in orange. Part number on this one is ASG P1B. The smaller one is ASG P2B, and it's an offset, and that is actually factory. The black is factory, so you've got something that won't mar if you're trying to get in somewhere. Haven't needed them, haven't tried them, but they're cool, so we'll see how they work out. All right, the last tool I acquired is from Worldpac. I went to a training class for Worldpac and had a great instructor talking all about ISTA. Great class, and now I have, well, this monster book to refer to when I can't remember something about ISTA. So, definitely another tool in the toolbox. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video. Comments are always appreciated. Let me know how you like my new tools. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.